The 15th of May, 2024. R&I Technical Lead, Powders. Arthur Edward Salary, CA $100-120,000 plus relocation support. Do you love consumer insights, technical breakthroughs and compelling product stories? Are you ready to make a move forward in your career and location? A global leader in color cosmetic and personal care product development and manufacturing is seeking an experienced technical lead to join their cosmetic powders lab. The research and innovation technical lead will drive the company's product pipeline and competitive